Logitech G413 Budget Gaming Keyboard. In the package, you'll receive a user manual, the keyboard, additional gaming keycaps, and of course, a keycap puller. You might notice that the extra keycaps are the keys you usually use for gaming. G413's precision key lighting also gives precise and clean lighting through the keycaps. Logitech G413 feels as premium as it can be with its brushed 5052 aluminum magnesium alloy top case. The adjustable height feet with rubber stabilizers allow you to adjust the perfect angle for the ideal gaming experience. Its Roamer G tactile mechanical switch performs 25% faster than its competition's standard mechanical switches. Its programmable macros through the G-Hub program allow you to execute commands at your own pace through dedicated keys in the F1, F2 buttons.